Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you had a wonderful Christmas. So this wig is brought to you by Unice Hair. I was sent this wig from Unice Wig. I can't remember the density, but all the details will be in the description box. Now the knots did not come bleached and the hairline did come a little pre-plucked, and you can wear this glueless. So that's what we're basically trying to achieve. It's one of those wigs where you can just put it on and go, although I feel like you could pluck the hairline a little bit more and you could bleach the knot. So really not really. But if you can finesse, you definitely can add concealer or finishing powder into the part like I am. And I mean, the hairline is okay where it's passable. You don't really have to go in and pluck it. So I think I showed you guys the construction, but it did come with 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, no elastic band. But right here I decided to go with my side part right here, and I am wearing a black stocking cap, so you can't really see the parting, but that's okay. Now if you bleach the hairline or you had a new stocking cap, then it will look kind of scalpish, but don't worry, we're gonna get there. So I'm just molding my part to where I want it to be, and y'all, this is the deepest I could get my side part. So if you did want a deeper side part, you actually can go in and shift the wig a little bit to get it deeper. But do y'all see this lace? You don't. Like, the lace is really blended in really good. I can appreciate the lace. But yeah, if you're not a fan of the hairline, definitely go in and pluck it some more. I was being lazy. I actually wore this hair for my birthday, y'all. I'm just getting over the flu, first of all. So this whole month has just been dumb for me because I've been sick all this time, y'all. My whole house has been sick, which is unfortunate, but I am getting better. Like this video, I think it was like in the beginning of my sickness, and then I just been sick for weeks, y'all. So I'm back and I'm better, and yeah, I'm well enough to celebrate the new year or bring in the new year. But as y'all can see, back to this hair, it gets super straight. This is a silky texture, but I didn't really have to put in no effort as far as flat ironing this hair or straightening this hair because, girl, we getting the silk. And y'all remember that this is a glueless closure wig because I did not have to go in with my got to be glue to adhere the lace, which is good for people who don't want to, use glue or wig adhesive or anything like that. So just make sure you get the right cap size because this wig is extra big on my head. I can't remember the size of this cap, but I know for sure it's not a small. I did go in and secure my wig with bobby pins. Just because I wasn't using any glue. I probably would have did that anyway. Now right here, I'm cutting some baby hairs just on this one side, you guys. I don't add it anywhere else because I feel like it's a side part and I don't need it anywhere else. And plus, I'm just trying to keep it simple, honestly, because I really did not feel good in this video. Y'all, it was terrible. I feel like it's a sickness in the air. So keep the mask on, y'all, because gross. I've never in my life had the flu and never have been down for that long. It was just sick. Oh, I forgot to mention, I did go in and add my concealer into my part. Y'all see the part popping. And I also took my wax stick just to lay the wig down a little bit more to make it flatter. But the wig was pretty flat anyway. Here are my end results. It was really simple and straight to the point. It didn't take me no time to apply this wig. Like I said, if you wanted to take the extra steps and bleach the knots and pluck the hairline a little bit more, you can. But if not, the wig still bangs, you guys. So check the description box for links to this wig and details, and I will see y'all in my next video.